The ship Harbour Master, registered in Trinidad and Tobago, departed from Grenada on Wednesday, September 7, 2022. The ship came to Grenada for carnival festivities in August 2022. However, it was arrested in Grenada when some of its crew inflicted harm and grievous harm on Grenadian world javelin champion Anderson Peters and his brother Keaton Peters on August 10th. Those crew members were charged and pleaded guilty at the St. George's Magistrates Court for their offences. The arrest of the ship was related to civil proceedings brought by the Peters brothers in the High Court of Grenada against the owners of the ship regarding the said harm and grievous harm. Attorney at law representing the Peters brothers in the civil matter, Derek Sylvester, says constructive, cordial and focused professional legal talks between the two teams of lawyers produced a mutually satisfactory conclusion to this stage of the matter. Cajetan Hood, one of the lawyers representing the Harbour Master, revealed the grounds in which the boat was released.
The boat has been released from the judicial arrest, right? On the basis that the insurers have set out letters saying that the boat is insured in excess of that. So in other words, if at all there are damages that are awarded, then lawyers on behalf of the Peters may levy against the insurance company based on the value of the insurance. So that's the situation right now.
Hood detailed his next move with regards to the civil matter.
As I said before, based on the conduct of the Peters, and I know certain members of the profession were upset at me for saying that, you started a war. Rather than sitting in private and working things out, which we thought was possible on the Monday morning, we have an extended situation where for 4 weeks, the owners are deprived from income of the boat. So now the Peters would have to establish that there was a liability on the boat in the first instance, and the Peters have to then establish what's the measure of the liability, and that has to be weighed against the damage done to the boat.
The attorney at law revealed the Harbour Master's intentions to countersue the Peters brothers.
Certainly, there'll be countersuits, there'll be like the defense, counterclaim, and as I said, we are in the process of drafting a challenge to what the DPP did. In pursuance of that, I'm awaiting a response from the DPP, the learned DPP, with respect to certain clarification I am seeking on his decision to discontinue proceedings, which he didn't start.
The issue, according to Sylvester, was the posting by the ship of proper security in the event of the ship being found liable in the High Court civil case. The High Court case will continue in the normal way. For GBN News, Beverly Telesford.